This video shows how to buy shares of WYHG Food Holdings Group Limited, a company in the food distribution and retail sector. The purpose is to demonstrate the buying process. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WYHG, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker WYHG to locate WYHG Food Holdings Group Limited. Make sure the result matches the company name and listing before opening the stock page. On the stock page, check the company overview and review the live price chart to see recent movement. Confirm both the company name and the WYHG ticker to ensure this is the correct listing. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.